Where did my finger go? Oh, my thumb is through my ear. Watch, take your thumb and stretch it. My eyelids disappeared. And it looks like you're floating in midair. Watch my pinky finger.
Whoa.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 10 magic tricks without props. This is a video that you all have requested a lot. So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button and let's go. Our first trick is a really weird eye trick. Check it out. Okay, for this one, the shades are coming up. I'm going to make my lower eyelashes disappear. Check this out. Creepy, right? Now watch, they'll come back. Oh, just like that. Now the secret to this one is really simple. This is actually a trick that I've been doing since I was a kid, and I haven't met anyone else who can do it. So if you can do it, let me know in the comments. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this, but I don't necessarily recommend that you do it. Full disclosure, it does kind of irritate my eyes when I do it. So know that going in. If you're gonna try it at home, do so at your own risk. So all you're gonna do is take your bottom eyelid and actually kind of roll it in on itself. I've always seen where people can like flip their eyelid up. I could never do that, but I could do this. You start out with your fingers at the top of your eyelids like this and kind of press down and then kind of in, down and in, and they just tuck in like that. It's so weird. And then they'll kind of pop back out like that. It's super weird looking. It kind of looks like your eyelashes just completely vanish. And it's a trick that you can do with no props whatsoever. All you need are your eyes. Okay, I have a cool trick to show you. Hold out your hands just like this. Perfect. All right, now I'm going to press on the sides of your hands just like this. And I want you to try to press your hands out like this, like press against me. Yeah, so like try to spread your hands out. I'm not gonna let you, and just keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing. Gonna hold it like that. All right, we're gonna hold it for like, 20 seconds. All right, check this out, watch.
Okay. Whoa! Feels like there's like a bubble in my hand. Why does that feel like so weird? It feels like there's a ball or like a bubble, for real, in my hand.
This works exactly as you saw in the performance. All you do is have someone put their hands together and you're going to press on the outside of their hand. Have them press outward like this while you press in and hold their hands in place. Do this for 20 to 30 seconds, and then when you let pressure off, they will feel as though their hands just naturally want to extend out like this. This happens because the muscle tension building up in their hands as they try to press out and you hold them in. It creates a really weird sensation. Try that at home on your friends and see how it feels. It's a really cool mind trick that you can do with no props at all. The invisible bubble. Okay, Ava, I have a really cool trick to show you, and all you need is your arm. Just one arm.
Aww.
You got one right there. So point your finger out like this.
Okay.
And you're gonna extend it to the wall. I'm just gonna point at the wall, just to where the tip of your finger barely touches the wall. So step back just a little bit. Perfect, just there. So the tip of your finger can definitely touch the wall there, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so lower your arm to your side. Perfect. Now you're going to take your other arm, just rub this elbow right here. Okay. Now as you rub your elbow, just keep rubbing. Your arm is actually going to get shorter. Keep rubbing, keep rubbing, keep rubbing, keep rubbing, rub the elbow. Now look, stop rubbing. Now try and touch the wall. What? Your arm got shorter. This is another one of those fun challenges that you don't need any props for, no gimmicks at all. This is one of those body tricks that works completely on its own. All you have to do is give the person these instructions and their body's gonna do the work for you. The reason this works is when you stand like this and you point your finger at the wall and then lower your arm, your shoulders are at rest. But when you reach over and rub your elbow, your shoulders come up like this because you're reaching over to rub the elbow. That's the entire key to the trick, is that your shoulders raise, which makes your arm a little bit shorter when you extend it again, unless you remember to stretch it out. So try that at home and see if you can fool your family and friends. Check this out. You're going to make your pinky finger disappear. Look, if you just rub, the pinky magically vanishes just like that. Now watch, you can make it reappear just like that. I'll show you the secret of how to do it yourself right now. All right, the secret to this is really simple. All you're gonna do is push your finger back just like that. It's actually bent behind my hand. Here it is from a backside view. You can see it's just hidden behind the other fingers and the palm of my hand. And now all you have to do to make it reappear is simply extend your finger back out under the cover of your other hand. Very simple trick. Try that at home and fool your friends and family. Okay, this is a classic trick that you can do with your ear. So check this out. I'm going to take my thumb and I'm going to put it through my ear. Ready? Watch. My thumb goes right through my ear. You can pull it out too, and your ear is just fine. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, this is a classic trick, the thumb through the ear. All you need is your hand and your ear. You're gonna take your thumb and you're gonna press it right against your ear just like this. You're then going to take this top finger, your index finger, and you're gonna pinch the top of your ear just like that. And then you're going to curl these fingers in and you're gonna use the tip of your index finger to pinch the lobe of your ear on the other side of the thumb, just like that. And now it's gonna create the illusion of your thumb going through your ear. And to undo it, all you have to do is just pull away from your ear. The top and the lobe will flop out. You want to do that under the cover of your hand. You also want to set it up under the cover of your hand. You're going to say, watch, I'm going to put my thumb through my ear. And then you're going to cover with the hand. You're going to press the thumb against, pinch with the top, roll the finger under, and pinch the lobe. Then you pull the hand away and say, oh, my thumb is through my ear. And then pull your thumb out to show that there's no hole in your ear. Watch, take your thumb and stretch it. Okay, this is a classic trick that you can do without props. All you need are your two hands. You're gonna start out by gripping the thumb on your left hand with your right hand just like this. And then you're gonna tuck your right thumb right behind your forefinger. And it's gonna look like the tip of the right thumb is your left thumb. So this is the illusion we're creating right here. So what you're actually biting is the tip of your right thumb, not your left. Then all you're doing is pulling your left thumb out like this and slightly extending your right thumb. And from the right angle, it really creates the illusion that your thumb is stretching. You want to be careful not to flash the back or you will expose the illusion. So make sure your audience only views this from the front. So this is the illusion we're looking to create, that you just have a really long stretched out thumb. Then you can unshrink it by just reversing that process. Okay, this one is a classic magic prank that you can do with no props at all. All you do is take your nose, then you can pop it right back into place. I'll show you how it's done right now. The secret to this one is extremely simple. All you need is your thumbnail. You're just gonna put it right underneath your front tooth and just make that sound by popping your nail off of your tooth. And you're gonna do that hidden behind your hands. But it looks natural because you're holding your nose like you're just popping it back and forth. It's a simple magic prank that you can do with no props at all. You don't need anything but your hands, your mouth, and your nose. Here's a cool finger trick you can do with no props at all. Watch, take your pinky finger and shrink it down just like that. This is really easy to do. There's no setup at all, and there's really only one step. When you pull down on the pinky like this, you're just going to bend your finger out the back like this. So that is what you're not seeing. From this side angle, you can see how it works, just like that. But from the front, it really looks like your finger is just magically shrunk. And then you can obviously stretch it and you just extend your finger back out. Here's an easy way to make it look like you levitate anytime, anywhere with no gimmicks at all. Check it out. Watch my feet. As you can see, I levitate up off the ground and right back down. This is super easy. You can do it too, and I'll show you how right now. So this is very much about the angle that people are seeing it from. You want to make sure your audience is behind you, and you want this side of your foot on your left foot. You want that to be the side that they see the most, and you want this foot, your right foot, to be kind of hidden. So you want to stand with your back facing them, and then the key is that you're going to lift up on your right foot. So from an exposed angle, this is how it looks. I'm lifting up on the toe of my right foot and leaving my left foot completely flat. You can see from the back, you want to keep the heels of the shoes kind of pressed together and at the same level. And you just want to let that left shoe raise flat off the ground just like that. And it looks like you're floating in midair. You want to practice making it look smooth
up and down.
All right guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button please and share it with someone you think might like it as well. We are on the road to 3 million YouTube subscribers. So if you like the show, please help the channel grow and consider sharing one of our videos on your Facebook, your YouTube, your Twitter, your Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away 10 magic mystery items from EvaneraTV.com. That is our online shop. We have a ton of really cool magic tricks that you can't find anywhere else. We also have worldwide shipping available on everything in the shop, so no matter where you live in the world, you can get a big box of magic shipped to your doorstep. We also have a lot of cool Laugh at Life merch. If you want to win the giveaway and get a mystery item from EvaneraTV.com, just leave a comment in the comment section below with which trick from this video was your favorite. Be sure to hit the thumbs up on the video and be subscribed to Evanera TV so you catch all the new episodes. Alright, it's time to announce our giveaway winner from the last How To Magic video. The winner is magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations, and be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section down below. I read all of them. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, also TikTok. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, you can catch up by watching it right up here. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.